Hello designers! In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern poster design in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, you need to create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Then change its case to upper.
And change its font. I have used the font League Gothic variable regular for this poster design. Apply the same color outline to make it a bit bolder, then hold the Alt button to make a copy of it. Select both the text and create outline, then expand, then ungroup them. After that, go to the Pathfinder and unite each letter one by one. Then make the zoom on the text, select each letter, and bring them closer. Follow my steps here. Join them and hold Alt button to make a copy. Then select all the text and go to the Pathfinder panel and click on the divide. Double-click on the text to go inside of the isolated mode. Then go to the Magic Wand tool and select the black parts. Then go to the Edit menu and cut. Select the invisible remaining part and delete. Then back to the Edit menu. Paste it in front and unite all. Now follow my other text settings. Now it's time, add the picture to the design. Go to the File menu place, select the image and place. Send it back, select the text. Go the Object menu Compound Path and make. Add the image to the selection, then right-click and Clipping Mask. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section.